Townsville Grammar students learned some valuable life lessons about managing money today. It's an extracurricular activity that prepares young minds for the cut and thrust of the real world.
Who knew learning about money could be fun? It's a format that's as simple as it is successful. Be upbeat and throw in some jokes.
The person said, it's also really good because it's a brick, it's pretty heavy, so if you get attacked on the street, you can use it as a weapon, right?
The students soaked it up.
It's been definitely good to hear about it from a professional rather than just people that you hear it from every day.
Grade 7, 8 and 9 students learned about how to save, manage and make money.
The main thing is choices. Like the whole workshop focuses on choices, so it's about how their choices could impact them in the future.
For these grade 7s, it was all about deciding what to spend your money on.
So what else is involved in having a dog after buying it for the $50? What else? What's that? Food, absolutely.
There's probably been lots of times when when there's been clothes that I really wanted to get, but I haven't really needed them and I've never ended up wearing them again. And so then it was just a waste of money.
Impulse buys are out, strategic thinking is in.
Because then I can purchase a house and stuff that you would actually need.
But still, some things never change.
I'm saving up for a car when I'm 16.
The take-home message, setting goals is good and it feels great when you reach them.
Because this is the age when they're really forming their habits, and a lot of those habits they're going to continue after school.
Madison Williams, Win News.